And now, our next guest really needs no introduction, but I love this guy so much, I can't help myself. He's the man who will save America. He's the one, the only Barack Obama.
Thanks a lot, whoever the heck you are.
It's Chris Matthews, Barry. Anyway, you're on the campaign trail again, after drafting a jobs bill that will certainly save America from the hole that the GOP got us into.
That's right, Danny. It's been a hard long road, but I've got everything into place to get America on the road to recovery. If only it weren't for those obstructionist Republicans.
Yeah. Republicans were born to be douchebags. I can't imagine a worse breed of creature on the face of the earth. If there was a god, he'd kill them all.
Ha ha ha. Well, let's not go overboard, Freddy. I mean, we can't just round up everybody who disagrees with me, and treat them like criminals, can we? They still have rights, right?
Well, why not? I mean, you've essentially told audiences in the past few months that you are going to circumvent Congress, and just do whatever the hell you want. Why don't you? Just pass all of your policies and agendas via executive order. It's not like the Constitution matters. In your own words, it is a document of negative rights, and you're right.
Well, I never thought about it like that. But, I don't. I mean, I'm not sure if I can. Well, you're putting me on the spot, and this was supposed to be a love fest.
Sorry about that, oh well, we've run out of time for this segment. Stay tuned tomorrow night when we'll see what a complete house slave that Herman Cain is. Good night, folks.